no boyfriend, no boyfriend to tell no. I'm saying no boyfriend, no boyfriend, no boyfriend to tell no. No boyfriend, no boyfriend, no boyfriend to tell no. No boyfriend, can you come on, son of a man? If I feel you're so far, you go do more than more. I do, man. I do, man, because I was saying, no boyfriend, no boyfriend, no boyfriend to tell no. No boyfriend, no boyfriend, no boyfriend to tell no. I'm saying no boyfriend, no boyfriend, no boyfriend to tell no. Okay. This is a soundtrack for No Boyfriend Till 10. Soundtrack for No Boyfriend Till 10. Okay, let's go. No boyfriend, no boyfriend, no boyfriend till 10 no. I'm saying no boyfriend, no boyfriend, no boyfriend till 10 no. I'm saying no boyfriend, no boyfriend, no boyfriend till 10 no. No boyfriend, 10 years come on, son of a man. If you feel you're so far, you go do. No boyfriend, no boyfriend, no boyfriend till 10 no. I'm saying no boyfriend, no boyfriend, no boyfriend till 10 no. I'm saying no boyfriend, no boyfriend, no boyfriend till 10 no. I'm saying okay, good morning to my wonderful fans of Beyou comedy. I know any No Boyfriend's soundtrack. I say no boyfriend, no boyfriend, no boyfriend till 10 no. No Boyfriend soundtrack, you understand? Yeah, Trappers Media, Nana Kwame Icon. I see you, bro. Trappers Media, Nana Kwame Icon. I see you. Nyame, Onsha Munina for supporting Beyou comedy. You guys mess us so much. My favorite. Papa. But the meeting can say, yes, say, Oba Eche we no. Na o sie ni hu ye. Oba Eche we no. Na ye chat new series. At first, na ye comedy. Comedy. But this time, no, they call next level. That is in a series form. And on who the performance of one time playman, Isiko Kuti, Kwame Eugene and Koku Frimpong. This is the kind of series you chat na e banam who the kind of worker Beyou Mayewo and Krano. You know, to watch it for No Boyfriend Till 10. Ain't easy. First kids series in Ghana. First kids series. First it means here. This is the first time. Yes, we will be like say you set a record here in Ghana. Beyou comedy, the first production team to produce a full kids series, and it's very entertaining. It's very entertaining and very advisable. I mean, on for supporting. The day to be out. Date you know what I mean. Can't date will be on with it. No Boyfriend Till 10 no. About this week. First episode ever this week. We are done with season 1. Shooting season 1. Yeah, season 1 now. So yeah, shall see I drop in on this week. This week, first episode ever. On about one time play mine. One time play mine. I'll tell one. Eziko go dia the old soon. Kwaku from Pond the Lover Boy, I always say yes, you can't wait to watch this comedy series. And then we drop official video, no official trailer. The first trailer the first trailer no was just passed by, but we official trailer, official advert, 2 minutes advert, and we just advert. So yes, a Juma near de bano, I know editing. Madam in penny phobia say. ATV comedy reaction, I see you. Official Mabna, I see you. Official Mabna 24/7, I see you, Charlie. Namisha Wate, for always being there for me. God bless you so much. Madam in penny phobia, I say before Semeshas here. Production team na no. Na me unsha mu nyina because me kwa me ntimi nya bibi sei. Me kwa me ntimi nya agima bi sei. Me de to mpenfo we be anim say na mpesa me ye. Now, without a cameraman, you can't do it. Without cameras, you can't do it. Without a script writer, you can't do it. Without some, let's say, brothers be any team members, you can't do it. And you know, official Mabina and a KB, I'm gonna make cameraman. Official Mabina and a KB, I'm gonna enyabochi jine muntu camera quality near the bana. A very, very unique, different sources. Different shots, official Mabina, Oko YouTuber, official Mabina, subscribe man. And at KB, they are the cameraman somewhere there. Omodia Jinemu cha video we a man a correct. A correct. Tiasu music, I see you, a correct. Tiomona cameraman now. And after a sound man non so is Kotoro, creating down a Kotoro. Name Onshano. After Miss Screenplay writer. The guy behind this massive screenplay yeah story there but no how is it share no how it's going to be no we far Nana Kwame icon that is Trappers Media yeah Trappers Media on YouTube okwa bit my day I follow Nana Kwame icon now I subscribe to the channel also I day amano I mean sure my team members now and Ezekiel, God bless you so much. Short man, I mean shout. And without the love from my kids, parents, no, and yet possible. Me da one time play my mommy and say, yeah, one time play my mommy, me da not say. On papa, me da mu ina say for showing much love. Nya didi wo me mu se me de umban be ye djuma man umban do be bia umban. That is the belief they had. That's the struggle they had for me. And Nyamiadrum, their kid is moving from one step to another. So Nami unshaw, papa, Nami Shamina for the love you guys have shown support because this series not our same crowd more since. But I mean that same kind of day. I like you and your guys. Nobody's with okay, yeah, good. Yeah, I mean as if we say they supported us. One time I see my papa supported and I cook from my sister. Thanks for the love. I appreciate you guys very, very much. God bless you so much. Beyou comedy to the whole we are saying. To know boyfriend to turn a year and yet easy. The date is we are dropping it. What's the date? No, Menga. First episode, men drop it. Men drop first episode no. That when I'm dropping, but I'm date. I have a date in my mind. I ever said it. 90s that change. Boniface, I see you, Charlie. I have a day. I'm a person, but I want to hear from my wonderful fans. Say, "Yeah, I'm rather pay." If I share the 200 man, but I'm Monshemaye, because we've invested in this comedy, this series near the banner. We've really invest in this series near the banner. We've really invest in this series near the banner. So your views, and sharing your comments, at least will help us sort us ourselves. Some like kakra ebe sort your honti. Mon share video ni maye. Yedi tuma. Any day ma no mon sum mon from maye. Mon from maye nso a ye nim hwamo. The video continues. Corner nim. The more na corner, we are shooting more. Very creative, advisable, and also let's say lovely series for kids. Both in paying for them cry. Pachonti eba and the no mom from Maye. It is 14th of this month. It is 11th of this month. It's 11th of the I'm dating her. 11th of the cry. Me date to me Timmy here. Now say we didn't see yeah. Okay. 8 Wednesday, right? 8, 9, 10, 11. How I got 11 from? Nice, I see you. How I got 11 from? Today, please, shout out to I can see how you guys, our lovely fans are desperate to watch this comedy series. This series, no, it's not easy. And yet easy. Shem Kwana talent na eba no Kwana talent na eba no what dang. It's go is natural, naturally. As soon is natural. No camera beats, nothing. Also natural because of the acting and the implementation. This is called training and acting. Yeah, God bless you so much for the greetings. I mean, Shamo. Answer the to us, no. Me date dating, Bebano. Young fast that could be multimedia. Yeah, could be multimedia. Mebo dating this year, late mebo dating no. Any money mu ye. Money mu ye. Drop a first episode of Nobody Entertain. But Meda could be multimedia. ATV comedy with us, I see you. Could multimedia. Namin Shamo. Because the thing or a blogger, right? Me name ni baby me name could matter baby or Dubai or Ghana. But you get in contact because of the blogging aspect, no. Me name no. And only once a month 24/7. So you just called me and said, oh, I see we just series with us. Yeah, I'm explaining things that you bet him the ashim na ye. Na ye camera. In your camera. So me can just normally me can try in your camera ke be boy pa because see rent camera na me ba ko ho no but in your big can one na you two and ke be boy because rent camera na e be cost a lot. I could matter you what. So the who answer could matter across social media, eh? The guy, God bless that guy because now me hearing desperately to shoot this comedy series. Could matter on a platform to announce this as a breaking news. And who a manager and manager in answer no as I could be a fans are more doye and more tired because no boyfriend to tell no it takes a lot, it demands a lot. So now I will see a pay a camera to shoot. You can't talk camera there. We are still on it, I better. But my first let me mark up mats because and I'm the swimmer your fans be a more outside I donate. Maybe I should be there Osaye. They have supported us. Say you talk camera be. Mama Emi USA. Mama Emi, I'm sure. Papa. Watch your door. Watch your say and Kwana Jumana May no. You are in support of everything I do. God bless you so much. Mama Mary USA. Mama. Oda watch your mommy no. Me Jen mentiase. Na oni oba. I'm sure for the love you guys have shown to me. God bless you so much for donating for us to buy a new camera. Yeah. Mama Pat Holland. Mama Pat, God bless you so much. God bless you so much. Namisha, Medo, why? God bless you so much, Mama Pat. God bless you so much. Mama Charlotte, Germany. Mama Charlotte, medical power answer. But me sad that was before say, me power chow. Mama Charlotte, God bless you so much for showing us love this week. Say you fan talk camera ni bi, you fan so talk camera ni bi. Na me show. But me power chow so fache me. Ejuma ye encourage me in your time kakra. Ye fa ye nam ha, ye kwa ha. Ti me phone kwa no 24/7 ni me nchen sa. Sometimes I know man for. Yeah, ti me show mama. Se ebia ofre na me ntimi amfa okwa fache me ya na nya me fort pressure no no odin. And our friends so no me ntimi mfre because of one or two reasons being you know I need you ma fache me oba pressure no ye koba say ya me hu me score pa ba me kwa ba no bedu fie no pressure na me kofa mu ba no a refie na me refi enya won kwa so me so bia nso a onyame na me nkasa enye se ma sheda but nkran wojuma na nya time kakra nti pressure na was short nti bia refi kakra ti me ba na skip me ti mo fa nche me I need you ma I love you mama Charlotte God bless you so much. You know. Mama Juliana Italy, God bless you so much for for helping us here in Tokyo Nibi. And Mabel Raya or Lebanon. Mabel Raya or Lebanon. Mabel Raya or Lebanon. Mama Joyce, Amsterdam, Holland, Amsterdam. Mama Joyce, we donate my own show. God bless you so much. Mama Charlotte. Mama Joyce, Mama Charlotte. Mama Charlotte, I see you. Mama Charlotte abe comment to her. I mean show. Ma, and then because set bar, me drew you na my friend phones near dim come wine patcho. You can media see you. You can media see you. You can media see you. And then lastly, and we got the Andrew Chiana, Nipan Dotimaye. The name is here. I'll mention it for our fans to see. Nina hasn't go to copy much multimedia. I mean show. Edini here. Let me check. Actually, didn't do something, no. Move on to make a cry. Okay. Copy much. Okay. Dada Kwame. Is it Sadi na pesa mebo? Dada Kwame Holland. Dada Kwame Holland. Inshallah. Dada Kwame Holland. Dada Kwame Holland. God bless you so much. Eshamobo, your trust is in one day. You better say release this week. This week. Just a release season 2 to us. That's where Nyame Boa. We still donating. Like, if you want to help us, you get in contact with Kobe Mats or Belen Kia Pamaye. Na abedi ho e ba ya ma we go there. You talk camera so you take coverage for you guys. See say camera ko to na nunie na ye de e bo hye so na me hwa mo. Ye hye mo bo this year so there. This year there. Very bugambu kaze bugambu. My boyfriend to tell to us we are. Now yeah, the tracking goes I be share one side. Shit, next episode, next series be try after no boyfriend to 10 no. Next episode, next series to be coming very soon. So I'm now for the kind of support you guys have shown to Beyou Comedy. The date is the no boyfriend till 10 no. First episode be released on Sunday after church exactly 2 p.m. Exactly 2 p.m. on Sunday. No boyfriend till 10. First episode airdrop it. Natural acting, great storyline, best acting for my kids, best acting. One time play my general or 2 general no yeah. It's like this girl is acting. It's Kokoti, baby. I was say baby. This series is not a mind-blowing series. And I feel messenger bloggers and so. Or some little a John Sana as I say we lazy. We've used a lot in this kind of project we are doing. We've used a lot in it. Yeah, a lot in this series na you channel. Yenjimi mfadi the guy boy but season 1 now you know we use a lot and through the views from our fans also will generate some income for us to support or to fill up the debt and also to support the kids in their education and also their monthly pays and their chop monies and a whole lot. Shemo say drop a video now. Shemo, no blogger should post full video on your page. Shemo, no bloggers should post full video. No bloggers should post full video on your page. I like what you guys are doing, and we know this time the friend said, "Mom wame name and cry no." And you can take some parts, some short 1 minute part be, then you talk about it, you react on it, then you direct the fans to go and watch it. Because sometimes YouTube no post video notification and ko bia o. Ntimi ko bia o. Chibia fans no e kop ko search ansa no monya. Ntimi shemo fa just a minute of it. A minute be some catchy part be now more react on it. Then you direct the fans to traffic on our page to watch it, because you have more views. You have more views on this series now, YB channel. And I believe, say, our fans will never disappoint us. I believe that our fans, good. I read them in your kakra. In your kakra, so God bless you so much for being here. ATV comedy reaction, I see you. Fisher Mabina, I see you. Anakwame icon. Anakwame icon. Trappist Media. Anakwame icon. God bless you so much for the love and this massive story screenplay. I mean, yeah. So God bless you so much. So, about Sunday, I will come around when I come home. Okay. Coffee Barton, I see you. If you bit me with questions, you are around. I'm here for you guys. Check. But number Sunday, first episode ever drop it on Sunday. Now another idea you drop it. Final trailer, final advert today on our page. You can't media, much love, bro. I see you. Final trailer on our page today, and the 2 minutes trailer. Must share the words and ground bar, the kind of pusher more bar, the creativity behind the storyline, mafia. It's all about serious. Any GNO baby. Areho from AC part baby. Maintain me one see baby. No boyfriend till 10. Me catch them say. I won't let them get involved in like boyfriend not yet. I won't explain much, but I'll let you guys watch the video, because about now people are commenting say boyfriend yeah man na, and I love your comments. The comments you guys were bringing on board is very good, because ubia genuine crying because I'm crying to me nyempenyi nyoma. Yeah, I'm crying to me nyempenyi nyoma. But trust be you. Don't trust me how I do my things. Yes, as get child comedies now. We always come out with the best educative ones. Not the best saying cry. Yeah. So don't trust them in that. Don't watch it. This kind of series now. We won't storyline now. You see the kind of storyline we are bringing on board. Say offer any offer as for take if ye na offer as for any catch it. I'm offer in the strictly way like wow, so this. Now offer no catch you say. Offer so was an offer as for no so. Epia bonten konante ni ade ba ne papa mu no o se wo fa na ye dey e district ato ground so like mo bi anva be ra vote 10 na wa share esiku no we are relaxing for now. Number Sunday, watch out for the first episode of No Boyfriend Till 10. Number Sunday, and watch out. You better fancy now for the support. But all your fan business of friend as unyamia and as bia mintimino nkasa is because of the busy schedule ntino na Beyou mintimina day and the monkasa, but and then major platform so apple biacho upon fancy nacho will be a frame unyami bia me powacho fachame any dma bia mintimin for fachame official mabena. Official Mabina, Mama shout out to who's recorded there. Official Mabina around. Yeah, me deal people could pay. Me do the fucking. Yeah, because I'm for don casa. This guy my boy me pa. Come multimedia. I see you. Multimedia, I see you. You come media, I see you're watching me live. ATV comedy reactions. God bless you so much. God bless you so much. God bless you so much for the support. You guys are supporting me, and why not pulling more views on this comedy series idea banner. I'm sure my fans will be our dead penny. I didn't tire. Indomie, I see you. Indomie GH. For Dokasa, official Mabina, for Dokasa. Indomie, I see you. ATV, I see you. So, official, Kwame Gentle Comedy. Kwame Gentle Comedy. Kwame Gentle Comedy. Kwame Gentle Comedy. Much love. Subscribe to the channel, man. Kwame Gentle Comedy. Kwame Gentle Comedy. Subscribe to the channel. Bye. Obia, ultimate entire Bremen crown. I mean, Shamo. Because first name in that. At first name in that, you say, Dear Crown Beshe. A tontarama, Cocoa tontarama, one time a tontarama, Asia tontarama. Yeah, future. Yeah, God bless Papa. When are you playing your game with Obita Comedy? We've done it all. Yeah, I think this year be Easter. Different match. Yeah, I hope so. Yeah. Let's say make no. Obi otimi in Taiwan kwal bia nyame hia mo. Mama Abena, Amsterdam, a friend say, Ma Juliana, Mama Pat, Mysterious Lady, Edine Dawson, Ma Mary, Edine Dawson. The fans be Mama Ejewa, Mo do men kra no do. Na de efe kra say banso a nya man no kwa na eba o. One time de eba esi de eba, kokofo mpon de eba. Eugene de eba. Se we benya 3, we benya 2. We benya 2 we benya 1. One nya we ko benya pabo ahye. One nya we ko benya pabo ahye because the love is very deep. It say me ton tare. E man kra no. Me kwa meti kwa say no. Na me adom ene odo amanfo nya ma ye nti no. Entire kwa say sika ye ton tare no. Ya reserve it. Mama Emi. Ami show. Yo dona mo de do na no den. Tare shemi. This shirt. Me manto. Ya do for you mo outside yana. E den tare re. E boy. E ma yeshe. We to kakra bi. Enkwan kwade ni hia ye mo. Yen ka se ba ye bi amunya. Ba ye bi amonto aso. Ebi mla. Baby Mra, Mama Mercy from Poma, Italy. I mean, shout, Mama Mercy from Poma, Italy. God bless you for the support. You love us so much. I mean, shout, mwah, chop kiss, mama, chop kiss. See, Mra, we are still on it. Beyou comedy to the whole year. Towards the AC when I want to as a wife and almost entire expensive ones are. Expensive ones are. Ah, the board dinner airfare. Niggas, and yeah, who dion. Nemum eye ya dofo bi o mo outside am pay ya asem hwe videos a mo doye nti ene de me damu ina mase ba mo review says from no boyfriend to tell de mo share my no boyfriend no boyfriend to tell no pam Charlie I'm shawu meeting modin edin doson. So every fans are more outside. Come match way. Me bajo bloggers mo screen ko dey mama. Inya me pa bloggers mo way. Mo screen ko dey mama. Sa pa jam back mo start India UK. Bajo ho ye. I mean show. Me do party. Support Beyou comedy I mean show. Come match mo record. Official ma na ATV comedy you can media. Me pa show Beyou comedy to the world, no. Beyou comedy to the world. Beyou comedy to the world. Beyou comedy to the world. At matter make Beyou comedy to the USA. Yeah. Antivirus USA. Much love. Beyou comedy to the USA. Mr. Remo. My man passport I ready. Of a Beyou passport I ready. Aye. Si a pese word ne bem efe yewo abroche series wo no down ma arresting down. It's already planned down arresting but ni nyina be gina your fans are more outside. Italy, France, UK, a whole lot, so much countries are more no. You need be just said that chibi no anybody just say dachi bia no Beyou ne nkura no senya nkura ni nyina akura na senya nkura no nyina akura na nkura ni bi yenyi bi mfrim mpo ba ko pese ekura no join Beyou with a crew now you be chat some series or outsider venefe keke and keke ni nyina be your fans ba Frank yesham Beyou ne nkura na bia Beyou ne nkura Italy shooting a video Beyou ne nkura UK shooting a video Beyou and kids and the Beyou comedy to the world now that Frank USA that Frank USA Bejudi yeah and say this year there or say Beyou ne nkura no Beyou ne nkura no extra videos outside me shame boss say your fans are that romantic no we will be going I would like say amen your fans are that romantic we will be going see we say echa na Ghana series ni echa e bi gusu say ba but we changing the environment kakra this year your bompire so for now no my kids passports are ready mine is ready I am best spy 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 you know a person could series outside I'm on it ni nyina be your fans so mo be your fans so because ya ho dey intimi me ma ho dey intimi nyankopon ne mo na be boae yeah nyankopon ne mo na be boae ti ye bon pai e ja bia so share the fans nsa ni nyankopon nsa nyankopon na official mamna I go with you my cameraman Lucinala nyankopon na o to so pagu asase no me so be ya ma we abem and I know that I believe say the love that our fans have shown in buying us, in trying to buy us a camera, and helping us behind closed doors, and quarantine helping us in some small aspect be to help push the brand. You know, I know so they will do more than that. Tiama no boyfriend till 10 in CII. Beyou comedy to the world no, so this year to the world no, a bem. Amen. I'm say they better. So Beyou comedy to the whole years. Collins Ankara comedy. Collins Ankara comedy. Collins Ankara comedy. Most subscribe to the channel, no. I can't wait for this series. I'm sure. So if I talk Obi Anfane and the suggestions number. If I talk you're a fan of Ohaya. Mama Abna, Mama Pat, Mama Juliana, Mama Emi, Dada Frank, Yana Kwame. Italy phone nyina, France phone nyina, Beyou comedy. Ebe fe anyone who has said Beyou and them outside to shoot a video. And I know what you guys are gonna do for us. I know you guys are going to do for us. I know. I me believe it. Me believe it. We were one step ahead. That's last 2 years. Yeah. I think this is the right time for us to explore. And this series near on Sunday, you know, at 2 p.m. No, we'll tell you our fans outside and Ghanaians that Beyou and Krani Juma. And I think that will motivate our fans out there to push us to be a person. Tini Dima, one share live no mame. Na enka for France. Say no boyfriend till 10 no basso. Na basso we are for France out for us. For foreign see we are Beyou comedy team. Ye per se ye ko outside kucha series. Yeah. Series outside. Nti na sure na yakopon ka your fans nya akoma. Obianfa odonante na obianfa odonta echi. The eba na doso. Mafa ya che. Na na champion USA. Na na champion USA. Mama Joy Santo Amsterdam. Na na champion USA. Na Michelle. Mpacho. Ye shomonim. Beyou comedy to the Viasa for in ye shomonim. Congrats. God bless you ate. Official mabina audition on Friday. Free audition on Friday. Location on for me why. Yeah, mama love. Mama love, oh, my back up. Yeah. Mama love, mama love. Ipacha facha mwate, what's me bolding, da. Mama love Ghana, invite my buy. Eba Ghana, papa, or GFS papa. Be Diane, one time go di ye. Nin say no more ye. Need to fear ye. Mama love. Mama love Canada. He say what free Ghana, all Canada this year. Name unshop Name unshop. Mama love. Yeah, mama been Amsterdam, my mama been Amsterdam, the mama been Amsterdam. My dana sepa or the biggest fans are a more boy behind closed doors. That shame provisions and a whole lot. Not Christmas never keke. Christmas now share biscuits, drinks, ne a moon I go ye de come mama and cry na. Ne fans nada Roma. Mama been Michelle. My partner Michelle, my Juliana Michelle. God bless you so much. Michelle, seriously. I remember no boyfriend till 10 no. And you get to be my muntie kakra. We by when you're recording kakra be for it so. We are recording, you know. Main one, baby. You better main official song, you know. Behind. No boyfriend till 10, no. No boyfriend, no boyfriend, no boyfriend till 10, no. No boyfriend, no boyfriend, no boyfriend till 10, no. I'm saying, oh, my service. Mama, I think I have to play it. Me mom this side now. You had it. Okay. Then go. Amen. Uncle be your lane, I make a big my lane. If it's a me pass, I make a big my lane. No boyfriend, to tell no. I'm saying no boyfriend, no boyfriend, no boyfriend, to tell no. I'm saying no boyfriend, no boyfriend, no boyfriend, to tell no. I'm saying no boyfriend, 10 years come on, son. It ain't free, so far. No boyfriend, no boyfriend to tell you. I'm saying no boyfriend, no boyfriend, no boyfriend to tell you. I'm saying no boyfriend, no boyfriend. Oh wow, yeah, Sarah, I see you. Okay, that's the soundtrack for No Boyfriend Till 10. Yeah, soundtrack for No Boyfriend Till 10. Number one Sunday, you drop it. To tell a friend, say No Boyfriend Till 10 now. You trying. You drop first episode. First episode on Sunday at 2 p.m. Yeah, first episode on Sunday at 2 p.m. First episode on Sunday at 2 p.m. No Boyfriend Till 10. Yeah, drop it. Featuring one time play my secret. Them cry on the video, no. Them cry on the video, no. Them cry now showing their talent. Massive talent from AC Kuti, one time play mine. Most support here. The fans are more breaching and I mean Shamopa. Meet me Moody, a Dawson. Maybe Raya, Lebanon. I see you. I'm going to go back to boy. I'm go back to dinner. Fans are on my boy to buy the camera now. To buy the camera, yeah. Fans on my boy to buy the camera. Yeah. To buy the camera. Fans on my boy to buy the camera. To camera now. Mama and me from USA. Mama Mary, USA. Mama Pat, Holland. Sister Mama Charlotte, Germany. Mama Juliana, Italy. Maybe Raya, Lebanon. Raya, Lebanon. Mama Joyce, Amsterdam. Mama Joyce, Amsterdam. No boyfriend till 10. Drops on Sunday, 2 p.m. sharp. Yeah. Yeah.
Well, and then again, what of the ceiling fan? What of if I use something like antenna to cover it?
Okay. Oh, live, man. Anake 247, I see you. Anake 247, I see you. Anake 247. Anake 247. Anake 247. They're watching us. Anake 247. That are Kwame to Holland. That are Kwame Holland. Mama Regina. Mama Regina. Mama Regina. Hey, Mama Regina, UK. Mama Regina, UK. Mama, mysterious lady, UK. Mama Regina, UK. Mama Regina. Mama Regina, I'm sure why. Odo, yes, you do pa. And Taria, the brand crano.
Pieces of ceiling fan.
Oats. For fake provisions. Yeah, I'm sure. Mama Regina. I'm more than my for. Yeah. I'm sure we now. You come to the whole way, I say. When the tough. When they see you. What's up? So, but also, Meko Sisi Kabe 15 minutes be awesome different. Meko say we have to support Obutan comedy for more videos. So me ko boa mo. The crew no nyame sha mo official ma bena KB official ma bena Nana Kwame Icon Trappers Media. Nana Kwame Icon Trappers Media. Nana Kwame Icon Trappers Media. Kotoro Soundman. I see you. My crew, Shortman, everybody. Ezekiel, it's one time play mine. Koku from Pokwam Eugene, yeah. I'm sure you now for the support. For making this series very wonderful. Please, your Ghana card. My Ghana card is here. It's here, okay. So your request is here in Zeno. And I seen the mamina. No boyfriend till 10 or drop it on Sunday. Is it guy? I see you. Nana K247. I see you. Nana K247. I see you. Nana K247. I see you. Mommy, I hate it. Views on Sunday. I hate it views on Sunday. Because the more na you be share and be demand, you be boy. Maza for tibla. Now, I'm showing him. Fatibla. Pajo, ni one ni boy. Jimmy. You come to the Warriors. In the way I see you. Trailer dropping. The trailer is dropping. I need to send. The trailer is dropping today. Official trailer airdrop it. Airdropping it. And then after this live, drop your official trailer not tune. Official trailer no ebe tomuni ye mo hwene ne na mo watch out for the main video, the main episode on boy me why the main episode on Sunday. Official trailer no eba Ezekiel na buy mo Ezekiel. Oh okay, Wendy, I need to send money. Oh Wendy mpacho me Ghana card wa how me Ghana card wa Imano Donko is my name. Yeah, so I think it will be best if you type your number here. Now after this now. I need to submit my number. I will delete it here. I'll be able to send it back. I will type it now. My chattel. Now you didn't come up. Yeah, I had him number 2 fans want to call fine, but as I didn't mean you kakra. Yeah. Timbacho said me kan no. Yenya bre. Obidieni. Say you can yenya bre on the Beyou comedy outside video shoot no. See fans are more outside now mo pese Beyou be twa videos or no. E mo ni nya o mo gina mo so me ma no obi a passport are ready. Obi a passport are ready. Me they are ready. One time they are ready. See they are ready. They are ready. Ah, the answer come mind on no one and the official map and the uncle be. And the key Pacho wonderful fans Mumbai na Yambra. You make us outside. God bless you. I love you. Be you comedy to the whole we are say. From here no make call Seria to help my brothers Botan comedy for much series being you know. Make a bomb and see in check me no. But wait for the trailer today. Yeah, official map and I say my passport is ready. I ready today. Go, baby. Jimmy. Okay, Charlie. Timbacho fans in Shamo. Obi our dome say and to a camera, Yamin Shamo. The boy behind closed doors, Yamin Shamo. The old man crying entire, Yamin Shamo. Much multimedia, God bless you. ATV comedy reaction, God bless you. JMTVGH. JMTVGH, I see you, bro. Good morning. Good morning. I much love. Where they make one do a donko. Indomie. First episode woman, why? First of all, the woman, I mean, Shamina. 107 people watching us right now. It shows the love is deep. Love is deep. So God bless you all. Yako Meko Mbati and Kanyambwa Sunday. Mbati and Kanyambwa Sunday. Thank you very much. Keep doing a great one. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much. We changing the brand. You changing brand this is here. You changing brand, no. You changing brand, no. Comedy Room by Eco Series. This year is series. Inspirational ones, comedy ones. Please your Ghana card, please. Wendy. This is my Ghana card. Why? This is my Ghana card. Let me show it to you. God bless you, boss. Yeah. It's a Mishamina. ATV. My this I didn't hear me parent, you know. Ghana card ayela. Obi. I don't Ghana card or them one. I'm Ghana card.
We done them.
I'm Ghana card. I don't know. Send call. MC officer I don't know. Yeah. I don't know. It's real live. Yeah. Okay, I think it's here. This is my Ghana card. That's how my age. My year freezer. Okay. There more dancing sugar class on your choir. Dancing shoes on the member. The video member enche. Official video of dancing shoe no. Beba. Yeah. Dancing shoe. The main video no. Beba.
Beyou comedy. Want me Saki, Mario Wasel, Rachel.
Down. Want your waist. Your dancing shoe. Where your dancing shoe. I say where your dancing shoe. Yeah, sir. JMTV, I've been reading your comment. I want to join you. How can I please? Where your dancing shoe. JM, follow your my friend is Instagram. Beyou comedy official. Ne chatting me privately on. Ebe didn't come share contact on my. Daru. Scatter mono. Scatter mono. Ay. Daru. Just na bumu kagra. Yang gonna fanti memwe. Yang gonna amra memwe. Diye na de mada. Ay, ngai. Ay, ngai. Your dancing shoe. Where your dancing shoe. Your dancing shoe. I say where your dancing shoe. Yeah, sir. Your dancing shoe. Where your dancing shoe. Your dancing shoe. I say where your dancing shoe. Go body pass. We impressive for your top. More champagne, I was bensu in a bread, the beer, walk. Who believe from Pachela machine, so the pass a yeah, walk. When I'm a good best, Toyota. Yes, we are 9, yeah, walk. And Chema on.
When I do a poor the chat was so near Frafra Dom, I have any dear country. Emashiato, so what she out of the floor. Now, Taro, as a mother, as a video, also as a mother, as a mason, so as a maca, can you watch ready?
Yes, I'm Maria Jama money. I'm close on him, you know, It's okay. Thank you very much for joining us on live. Dancing shoot official video is where they ever drop it within this week. You need 2 muna the week muhona no dance shoot shashim ba continue. Watch out for dancing shoot official music video no. Nana Kwame icon. Trappers Media, see you. Official Mabana, I see you. KB, I see you. Kotoro, I see you. Beyou Comedy crew, Beyou Comedy fans, both Ghanaians and outsiders. Let me show you now for the love is shown to us. Watch out for the first kids series dropping on Sunday. First episode air dropping on Sunday. You just can't stop laughing. Very interesting comedy, sorrowful, a whole lot. It contains a whole lot of package. I mean, Shamina, God bless you so much. Beyou Comedy to the whole year. So watch out on Sunday, 2 p.m. sharp. Sunday, 2 p.m. sharp. Airdrop. I mean, Shamina, Marajana. I'll go very soon, okay? Good luck, brother. All the best. Yeah, I'll see you. Hope that's all live. That's all live, alright. On time is the best. So the network is very bad here, so I think we ending this right now. And God bless you so much. This is my crew. One guy is here. Jimmy. Jimmy. So we off. Your call. Friend say. Syria to shoot. So I'm showing now. But I'm watching out. Say the kind on Sunday. Number on Sunday. First episode. Airdrop it. I mean, much love to Beyou Comedy fans and more about you. I'm supporting you. At some kind of this year, I'll say, the coach outside series. Elder Casa, amen. Elder Casa, amen. Elder Casa, amen. Amen. I love you all. Amen. Black Pabda and Coco Fimbong. This is Coco Mame, I love you. One time, Mame, I love you. Coco Fimbong, I love you. Kwabiji, Mame, I love you. I love myself. I love all my team. Ezekiel, one side. I mean, show me now. Beyou Comedy to the whole, yes.